Make a book cover with me. I'm just not into the navy and black color notebooks, and the fabric ones are limited edition. Plus, you can hide what you're reading too, perhaps a romance book or a horror book. I'm going to try embroidery for this project. I'm using Moleskine notebook, which is about the same as other notebooks, I presume. 28 cm width and 21 cm height. We need to add 1 cm for both the width and height because it needs to be bigger to wrap around the book. And add 7 cm on both sides for the flap. On the left, I added 2 more cm. I slanted down 2 cm inwards to ease the insert. Add 1 cm allowance around it. Make a mark on the middle for the ribbon. Mark 2 cm from the left, and this is where the strap sits. For strap, the width will be 2.5 cm times 2 because we are going to fold it, plus seam allowance, and that equals to 7 cm. And the height will be the same as the height of the cover. I drew an outline shape of a cat and fill in the details. Time for some embroidery therapy. So, how have you been? Are you okay? Your feelings are real, and I believe in you. Maybe you could take a stroll at the park and get some ice cream. With some sun, it will make you feel a whole lot better. Okay, once you're done decorating your book cover, you can now start assembling them. Sew the strap, turn it inside out, and add the top stitch. For the cover itself, place the right sides together and sew on the side. Flip it over and add a top stitch. Mark 7 cm top and bottom. Fold it over and clip it in place. Do the same for the other side. Lay out the ribbon and strap and stitch the sides. Snippy the corners. Turn it inside out. Top stitch across to close the opening. Slot in underneath the strap and push back into the sleeve. Insert the flap and we have our book cover. I use my notebook like a commonplace book. It's a compilation of thoughts, quotes from books, random sentences that are worthy to be kept, ideas and letters too. Well, I'll see you on the next project and subscribe for strawberries.